Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by locating the small release on the BMW key fob and press it to remove the mechanical key. Set that key aside. Inspect the fob body to confirm it uses a CR2032 3V coin cell battery, so you buy the correct replacement. Gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a clean microfiber cloth. Avoid metal slips. Work on a flat surface under good light and keep a tray for tiny parts so nothing gets lost during disassembly. Carefully insert the flathead or plastic pry tool into the seam and rotate gently to separate the two halves of the fob. Do not force or bend plastic. Once open, locate the coin cell and lift out the old CR2032 while observing how it sits so you record polarity. Take a photo if unsure. Clean contact surfaces and battery cup with the microfiber cloth and alcohol if needed. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up into the battery cup, and align the two fob halves and press together evenly around the perimeter until you hear a reassuring click, confirming the housing is sealed. Reinsert the mechanical key and test each function: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic if available. Typical BMW fobs require no reprogramming after a battery swap. If a button does not respond, reopen and check battery seating and contacts. Recycle the old CR2032 at an approved drop-off, and avoid touching the new battery terminals with bare fingers to prevent corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.